the familiar rumble in your stomach. When hunger strikes is known as borborygmi, this sound is caused by the movement of gas and fluids through your intestines. When your stomach is empty, it triggers waves of muscle contractions, also known as peristalsis, to help clear out any remaining food. These contractions produce noise as they push air through the digestive tract, akin to water moving through pipes. Additionally, hunger-related growling involves the release of hormones, like ghrelin, signaling your brain that it's time to eat. This hormone stimulates the gastrointestinal tract, making those growling sounds even more pronounced. These noises can become louder when there's nothing to muffle them, such as food or liquids. So the next time you hear your stomach growl, remember it's your body's way of reminding you that it's time to refuel. It's a natural, rhythmic process ensuring your digestive system stays active and ready for your